The site's really special to my wife Amy and I because we grew up in this area. One of the things we loved about the site was sitting on the hillside looking out at the forest, and when we came to design the house we really wanted to capture that sense of being part of the landscape. With youthful ambition and a tight budget being our first home, we really worked to create something special for our young family. Aided by architecture school friend Ben and structural engineer brother Sam, the project began to gain momentum.
It was a real pleasure working with Toby on this project, and having Toby with his build background and mine as the design background, we were able to collaborate and create a more robust project right from that early stage. Right from Gulf Harbour Drive you look up and you can see a square box up on the hill. We wanted to create a form that wasn't quite so dominant in its landscape.
The form of the house is a really simple mono-pitch gable pavilion which is stretched out along the axis of the in-situ wall, and the roof really echoes the dropping valley to the north below.
The challenge of the site's topography allowed for the opportunity to extend the deck out and cantilever to increase the footprint of the house.
The exterior materials have been kept very simple to black corrugated iron, in-situ concrete and cedar. For the interior palette, we're really influenced by having raw natural materials. We felt like we achieved that with the in-situ concrete wall running east-west right through the building, and then also using some really rustic, raw, exposed timber beams throughout the house, set against some white walls that help them really pop. One of the things we really enjoy about rural architecture is the raw materials that are often used, that need to last and they need to be practical. I feel like that's something we're really proud of, is when we look around in this house and we know what it costs us in time and money, and it's just a real delight to live here, and we're just super blessed to be in this home and we love it.